Good morning, everybody. We are out on Lake Superior right now on the North Shore, and we're trying to catch my first lake trout. It's the first time I've ever been out here, first time I've gone after lake trout. And I mean, if you looked at my Instagram page, it's all walleyes and bass. So this is a completely new experience to me, and you're gonna get to experience it with me. And I am fishing right off the bat with lead core and spoons, a lead core and a spoon, which is this guy, flutter spoon, buckshot flutter spoon in glow. So that will be my bait on the left side, and on the right side I have this guy. It's a dodger or a flasher, as many people may call them, and that's tipped with, actually I don't know if that's the terminology, tipped, but you know, that's what bass fishermen call it. So it's tipped with speaking of bass fishermen, a chatterbait. So I figured that added shine and added noise in the water would help increase hits and repeat hits. So hopefully. Well, just a quick update. It's like 10 o'clock, started at like 5, well actually it's probably about 8 or 9. I don't know, I don't want to take up my phone right now, I'm trying to keep the kayak in the right direction. But I haven't caught anything yet, haven't had a bite, marked 4 fish so far, and lost 1 rod and my only dodger. So it's not been going good so far. What I'm doing here is I'm pulling well, after I lost my dodger on the one side, I threw in another spoon. It's not like my flutter spoon, it's just a flashy number 5 spoon. And what I'm doing here is I'm going at a speed, like I think it's about 1.5 miles an hour as Navionics says on my phone. And then I'll go that speed for a little while, and then I'll just completely stop and let my baits flutter down to the bottom, because they pick up really easy fishing in this 130 feet of water, even with my line clips on. So as soon as I slow down, they flutter towards the bottom, and then I'll pick my speed back up again, and then they'll pick back up in the water column farther, or come up the water column again. First fish on, baby. Woo! Let's go! Ooh. buckshot spoon. Good deal. Now we're at 145 feet of water, but we were at 130, so that's sort of where I got them at. First lake trout right there. They got 4 different kinds of subspecies, like identified subspecies, although many say that there's a dozen or so different types. But they do have 4 different types. And the one I can think of off the top of my head right now is redfin. I think that's probably the most pretty looking one. This one, not really sure what it is. Well, I am back home now. The wind switched from the west to the southeast, or coming from the southeast, which on the North Shore for a kayaker, that is not good. And I was about a mile down from where I accessed, so it was quite a paddle back. I got some footage right. And that is what it looked like the entire ride back, and I lost one of my rod holders during that part, and I'd already lost one of my fishing poles, and it was a whole lot of losing stuff and not a whole lot of catching stuff, but I am very happy to say that I caught my very first lake trout. So overall, successful trip.